How to export videos on CapCut. Our guest question is to export your project on CapCut application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut application, now enter your project that you want to export. Once you enter the project, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this option for Ultra HD and Export. You are looking to export, right? Tap on Export. Once you click on Export, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. In order to export the video, you need to watch 60-second advertisement. Once you finish the advertisement, you'll be able to export your videos. And that's
Where are you buying from
that's
now?
how you can export our videos on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful,
Alibaba.com.
here
Yes,
and
let me
subscribe
show
to
you.
our channel.
Alibaba.com
If you guys have
is an
any
excellent
issues
link
regarding
to the
CapCut,
platform,
make sure
where
to
you can
comment
find
down
any
below.
books you are
Bye bye.
looking for.